District of North Vancouver is a municipality that is located on the north shore of Burrard Inlet. So they're part of the Metro Vancouver region. They're a separate entity from the city of Vancouver, and they have about 85,000 residents that they service. They are responsible for providing potable water to their residents through a series of pump stations and reservoirs, and collecting sewage through a series of lift stations. So the scope of the project involved not only upgrading the SCADA software, but also implementing a new front-end unit, front-end processor. They used Motorola RTUs in the district, and so they had a legacy MCP-M front-end processor, and that was upgraded to a modern IP Gateway model, which actually factored heavily into the software selection process because VTScada can natively support interfacing with the IP Gateway hardware. They determined pretty quickly in their evaluation that VTScada would be the software package that they would go with based on the number of integrators that had selected it and functionality that provided out of the box. And then fortunately for us, we were selected to complete the modernization for them. And so we worked very closely with the district, with their technical staff and their operations staff to define the look and feel of the SCADA suite. We always try to move towards industry standards, towards high performance graphics. So we did have to make some concessions. For example, we included a green dot in the middle of pumps that indicates run status rather than the shades of gray look and feel. And so we were able to work with the built-in functionality of VTScada and customize it to meet their specific needs. So one of the firm requirements that the district had was the ability to interface with redundant Motorola IP Gateway configuration. And so they wanted a driver that was able to interface with this redundant configuration and issue the appropriate commands or redundancy switchover. We were able to quickly extract data from their existing historian and backfill it into the new VTScada application. So we were able to save about 10 years worth of their historical data from all of their stations.